Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Al-Shaikh Ali, BSCS 4B. This is my video presentation. My topic is wired networks. A wired network connects devices through physical cables, such as Ethernet, coaxial, or fiber optic. It delivers stable, high-speed, secure connectivity with low latency. Through it limits mobility due to the needs for physical wiring. Common uses includes offices, data centers, and home setups for high performance. This is fundamentals of wired network technology. So, here case aspect of wired network foundations. Core components. Physical devices form the backbone of a computer network. They enable data exchange and ensure reliable operation. First, routers, so direct traffic rather. So switches connect devices locally. NICs, INCs, or connect devices to network. Coupling, physical transmission medium. So firewalls secure the network. Servers host data and application. So here are data transmissions principles. Data transmission principles define how information travels across networks from creation to reception, ensuring data integrity. So data is packaged into discrete packets transmitted over the network and then reassembled at the receiving end. This process ensures efficient and organized transfer. Basta. Yan siya. Protocol. While as a protocol standard, protocols are established rules for device communication. Standards ensure compatibility. Both are critical for seamless operation across diverse network systems. So, TCP ensures reliable data delivery. UDP, faster connectionless data transfer. HTTP for web communications. SMTP for email services. So, this is types of wired network and their applications. Local area network, LANs for short. Connects devices in a small area, home, offices, school, using switches and private IPs, while LANs rely on Ethernet cables for high-speed, stable, and secure communication. So Ethernet and high-speed, Metropolitan Area Network, MANS for short. So connects multiple LANs across a city or region, acting as an intermediate layer between LANs and WANs. Provides high-speed connectivity over several kilometers. Wide area networks, WANs for short. So spans large geographical areas, connecting operating multiple lands across cities, states, or countries, emphasize scalability and efficient data collection. The internet is a large one. Global scalable yato yung kanya. So this is also here enabling technologies. So while network really on robust physical media Ethernet cables provide stable connections, while fiber optic offers superior speed and bandwidth over long distances. So yan po yung Ethernet at fiber optic. Here are advantages and challenges of wired connectivity. Advantages: speed, so exceptional data transfer rates for bandwidth heavy tasks like video editing. So security, physical connections inherently reduce unauthorized access and data interception. Reliability, stable and consistent connections, less prone to interference from external factors. Wired networks are crucial for application demanding unwavering performance and data integrity. So, wired versus wireless. A quick comparison. First, wired, consistent speed and security. Fixed location, complex install, high cost. So, wireless, flexible mobility, and quick deployment, variable performance, lower install costs. So, challenges rather. Challenges: installations. Extensive planning and infrastructure setup can significantly delay deployment. In mobility, devices are physically tethered, limiting flexibility and adaptability to changes. In cost, higher initial investment for cabling infrastructure and the labor-intensive setup. So means installations complexities and lack of mobility are significant drawbacks and dynamic or temporary settings. The evolving landscape of wired networks. Impact of IoT and 5G. IoT device growth. IoT refers device proliferation demands robust low latency connectivity. 5G networks are crucial for enabling seamless integrations and real-time data processing. So makikita dito na may billions of 35, di ba? May nakikita tayo dito na may 2030 and 2034. Future trends and developments. Future wired networks prioritize resilience and infrastructure for smart buildings, advanced telepresence solutions, and adaptive urban ecosystem. So here are three central sites AI sensors, cyber-human revolutions ay bandwidth AI workloads. Yan siya. So, yan yung picture. Yan siya. So, emerging teach and innovation. So, here are key advancements in optical network photonics for AI workloads coupled with Wi-Fi 6E integrations or reshaping wild network capabilities. Nandito yung 3 optical networking, photonics, AI-driven, chip interconnects, Wi-Fi 6 or 6E integration. Yan siya. Conclusion, the enduring relevance of wild networks. So, summary of key takeaways. Di ba kapag naka-check siya, yun siya. So, reliability and stability. Consistent performance for critical infrastructure. So, enhanced security, less susceptible to unauthorized access, ideal for sensitive data. Superior speeds and bandwidth, higher data rates and and lower latency for demanding applications. Power over Ethernet, or for short PoE, simplifies device deployment by combining power and data. Foundation for hybrid network, essential backbone for robust wireless integrations. That's all.